my drone. We all expected from 2013 onwards that Amazon would start using same-day drone delivery. Same with DHL and other delivery companies. But it's not happened. So today I wanted to answer the question, why? And show you a unique working today drone delivery service that's unique to France and gets over a very, very big problem. So drone delivery just hasn't caught on because it just doesn't work. Take the town of Phoenix, which was seen as an ideal startup for Amazon for instant drone delivery. But there's a massive problem. In fact, there's 5 massive problems. On the surface, it seems ideal. Single-family homes, detached houses with gardens and driveways. A drone could drop your package on. But it doesn't work. Phoenix has over 5 million residents. Ideal flying weather, clear skies, great conditions. But since it was rolled out by Amazon in 2013, no delivery. Let's look at some of the big problems. The first one is airports. Phoenix has over 5 airports, all surrounded by no-fly zones. You can't mix drones and airplanes. That left just this tiny section of the city with about 180,000 people who could be served by drones. But when that 180,000 people were surveyed, it turns out that there's less than 90,000 who actually have their own yard, house, and driveway. Just didn't make sense. But here in France, and the rest of the world should also take heed of this, we really are concerned about the pollution of last mile delivery. Little diesel vans chugging around from house to house. They really are terrible. And in one unique place in France, drones turned out to be the best solution. Welcome to the French Pyrenees, a large mountain range between France and Spain, often with villages high up winding mountain roads that can take an hour in a diesel van to drive up to deliver one package. It made no sense. So the company DPD, who are a big delivery company here in France, decided they could fly the single package up the mountain, saving driving the diesel van. When the drone arrives, the package is put into this container. And a local agent will walk round the small hamlet, knock on doors, and give the people the package. really innovative and really saving the planet from that diesel last mile delivery nightmare. There are lots of amazing stories here in France where we live. So in a new series, I'm going to bring you some of the innovation, the science of France. La vérité est là-bas. The truth is out there.